Hello and welcome back to my YouTube series tutorial, and today I'm gonna show you how to install React Native Vector Icons on Android. So first thing, you need to install it. You can go to GitHub repository or search on Google React Native Vector Icons and click on a GitHub link, and then copy this. I'm gonna use Yarn and then paste it. Enter. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this Android. Okay, and we open Android app build.gradle. Okay, Android app build.gradle. Okay. Oh, sorry. It's here. And then copy this and paste in anywhere. I wanna paste here and save it. And then add this up here. And I'm gonna import filter icon, so be filter.ttf and then save. Okay, and then we restart the Metro service and then run again. Okay, I already restart the service, and then open up your app, and I'm gonna creating or modify the app.js. And gonna import the filter. You can name the component whatever you want, but because I'm using filter icon, so I'm gonna name my component to filter, and it's from React Native Filter Icon / filter because I'm gonna use filter icon. And then down here you call the component, and the filter need some parameter or props or attribute. The name is name of your icon. I'm gonna use herd, and the size of your icon, I'm gonna use 24 and save it. There you go. You can see this icon is appear. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next tutorial.